it. I sold it for parts.
Oh yeah, well there you go. Better than nothing.
Hit an intersection, just be prepared. Somebody might be at the intersection here and might not see it to the last second. So road signs, you just want to, they're like your guides, right? You just kind of keep an eye out for any road signs.
Yeah.
Especially if you're traveling at nighttime. And at this next intersection, we're going to turn left. Here we don't have a line, so you can stop right at the edge of the snowbank out here. 2, and off we go. It's a fun little hill to try to park on. We'll be doing hill parking on your second hour.
All right.
And we're going to keep going straight here. Some of the intersections in wintertime, they get pretty polished and slippery. And we're going to go straight at the lights.
So I'm staying in this.
If you're not sure, look for the yellow line. You want to position your vehicle next to the yellow line. See the yellow line over there, so over behind these vehicles.
So like right.
You got it, yep. And we're going straight. It's a little offset. Everything looks good.
This is the street where I was driven for the first time.
This is the road test area.
Yeah?
Yeah, so it's good you're practicing out here.
Yeah, my grandpa, he used to live down here, I think to the right. Like,
we'll make a right turn here.
Alright.
Kick back, 1, 2. Nice right turn, right on. We're going to make the first left turn coming up here. Roadway. Said that once, make the first left turn. The guy went into the driveway. Jesus. I'm like, no, roadway. And straight down to the next stop sign. We're going to make a right turn there.